Well, hello, this is Leslie Sansone Williams coming to you today from Paralegal Coffee Talk on Facebook and lesliesansonewilliams.com. I wanted to talk about 5 surprising facts about the paralegal field or job or career. Now, one of the things is when I first looked at going into this field, I thought, how hard can it be, really? And I found out there's a pretty steep learning curve, and it's not impossible, but there is a learning curve, and you have to dive into it. It isn't to be taken lightly. It isn't to be done cavalierly, like I'll just do this and that and I'll get it eventually. No, you dive into it and you will get it sooner than you could have ever imagined. But there is a learning curve. There are many different areas of law, and that's something to investigate, the different types of paralegals out there. Google that one. That's the first one. The learning curve is number 1. Number 2, there are many areas of law you can work in. I've worked in eminent domain, condemnation litigation, business law, franchise law in a couple different areas. Let's see what else. Administrative law, probate, estate planning, personal injury, medical malpractice. Automobile dealership franchise law is one of the franchise areas. Professional responsibility, bar applicant matters, and much more. And zoning. So there are so many areas you can work in. You could work in patent law. You could work in real estate law. You could work for a mediator. So you have to investigate that and then look at the jobs that are around you right now. Do an investigation on Google or put it in Indeed.com, INDEED.com, and do some job searches for your city, the area you live in, and see what the duties are that are listed for that particular job. You'll really get a great education that way. So pick the area of law that is, they want right now in your area. What kind of paralegal do they want? And also, will you be interested in that? That's a really twofold, okay? You can break into this field without experience. I did. You can break into this field without any legal education. I did. Many people did and still do. There are a lot of sole practitioners. That means an attorney working by him or herself that they can't afford to hire a $40,000 a year paralegal. That's a huge hint right there. You can break in, but you need to kind of learn some things before you ever send your resume and cover letter off. So invest in yourself. Buy my book, Legal Break-In, link below. And invest a few bucks in yourself so that you can understand what this field is like. Now, those are surprising facts, right? That was number 3. Number 4, it might take 1 to 2 years to feel like you are a bona fide paralegal and that someone will actually call you that. But it's 1 to 2 years. That's not a long time. And gradually, you'll work your pay up, if you're good, if you work hard, to a nice salary. Are you willing to invest your time and a teeny bit of money to buy some books, and learn? And number 5, surprisingly, attorneys sometimes still don't know the difference between a paralegal and a legal secretary, or they really don't even know sometimes what a paralegal does. The younger attorneys now do, but the older ones really still struggle with what that is. What do paralegals do? What do I do with the paralegal? It's really odd, but it still goes on. Sometimes the legal secretary and the paralegal title, you have a paralegal doing clerical work as well. It's not separated as much as you think. Well, that's it for today. I hope this surprised you, some of these things. And don't forget to check out Paralegal Coffee Talk on Facebook. I hear the rain coming. And also LeslieSansonWilliams.com on the internet. That's my website. Lots of podcasts there. So take care. Bye-bye.